Our team is our family, so to speak.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
when we make mistakes, we cannot be perfect. Human beings make mistakes. And I remember talking to this nurse who was going through the training program, and she said, before I used to feel so scared to share my mistake if I make a mistake. If I'm alone and if I don't know how to reach for each other and I don't know how to turn to my teammates or my team leader, I am facing this dragon all by myself.
Yes. It's
The
beautiful.
shame comes in, the embarrassment comes in, you start to doubt yourself, you start to hide away from other people because you don't know how to talk about it. She said, once we have these open conversations where we can actually understand each other's vulnerabilities and be able to talk about it in a safe and safe, secure environment, she said, the dragon is no longer a big dragon. It's a
Right.
small dragon that I know that the person who is working with me, they're standing right next to me. And whether
Yes.
it is a family member who is yelling at me and screaming at me, or a patient who is frustrated with me and want, relief now, it's no longer stressful for me. She would tell me. She said that I could
Right.
hold their space, I can understand their pain, and that's all they want. In the moment of fear, when their life is threatened by potential isolation for themselves and death, so to speak, they need to know that they're not alone in that moment.
And you've just named, I think, that I love the notion of dragon. That really resonates with me because the dragon is isolation,
Yeah.
ultimately. When people feel isolated in their own